Never really see 221s in a box like this. That plays low too. Man, it's got a lot of throw in that sub. Wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh man, I can already tell your floor is solid. Good word. Oh, could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Phillip McAllister. We got two PSI platform 521s on 2 Teramps base 8Ks, 90 amp hour C-Max, and 320 brand X alt.
I like your amp rack. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, guy, I ain't sure where he's from. He made them. Try them out. They work really good.
You built the box?
No, actually Adam built the box.
Okay.
It's built about 16 cubes. Total about 27.
Very nice. 21-inch. Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
So shout out to David on that.
What is the X-Max on that thing?
I'm not sure.
At least 36 inches. Wow. Or 36 millimeters, I meant.
I'll show you.
Can I see the port in the back? I'm curious to see how big it is. That's insane. Never really see 221s in a box like this. Wow. So what made you go with 21s?
It was the 2 biggest subs I could fit in here.
Yeah. Wow. And these are 3/8s or 3?
Yeah, 3/8.
Okay. Wow. Very nice job. Thank you very much for showing me, man.
You're very welcome.
That was insane. Your box is mounted down and still moves a little bit.
Yeah, these Jeeps have got really thin floors. So.
They do? Oh, the floor's moving.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good woodwork on the back still, tearing it up.
Appreciate it.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Lovell. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Phillip system. He was at the Sundown audio show with this showcasing of this insane dual 21-inch subwoofer system. So if you're enjoying this video, hit the thumbs up as well as comment what you like about his system. I really like the fact that he fit 221s being unique and how big the box is. It's insane. It's a lot bigger in person than it looks actually on camera. Or maybe it looks big on camera too. 221-inch subs. So these are the PSIs. I don't see a lot of this type of subwoofer, and being a 21 is very unique. It's hard to manufacture and make those. Looks like they're rated between 3.5 and 4,500 watts RMS. That's what I got from the PSI website. And the amplifiers on the back of the box, right behind the passenger and driver seat where the battery bank and amplifier, was pretty impressed to see him pretty much X-max these subwoofers out to their limits. So definitely giving them all the juice. Also, the way that he has these arrow ports looks like a really smart layout design to fit for the subwoofer box efficiency. So if he would have went slot, he would have probably suffered on some of his cubic space utilized. The depth of the box is insane to fit 16 cubes in here. So 16,000 watts on 221-inch subs. We're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this demo.
36 inches. Wow. Or 36 millimeters, I meant.
I'll show you.
Wow.
We'll play this one. This one's about its favorite.
Okay. Mid to high 20s or something. It's throwing like crazy. Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo, man.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
I really appreciate it. Anyway, thank you. Have a good day. Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.